How did I make this clock from epoxy resin? We start with a piece of plywood, which we cut into the desired shape for the clock. We then apply a layer of acrylic primer and let it dry. In the meantime, we prepare a small amount of resin that will serve as our base. We color it in a shade similar to the ones we will use later. To achieve a harmony of colors, we also add decorative stones and pieces of decorative glass to add texture and provide depth to the clock. Next comes the color mixing stage, where depending on the client's preferences, we blend the hardened shades to create the effect. The next steps, you can continue watching, but if you have questions or want more details, leave me a comment, and in the upcoming videos, I will explain them.